Hello and welcome. My name is Viola. Today, I would like to talk with you about a question we are asked quite often. What does the creation of the central database actually do? How about we take a look at what the software itself has to say about it? You may be wondering how the software can answer that. Of course, with our AI Copilot. So let's simply ask the AI Copilot the question. The AI Copilot searches in our help function and through further information for an answer. The creation of the central database in WSCAD ELECTRIX allows you to rebuild the central database from existing project data. This operation can be performed to resolve issues with the managers or the material explorers. Here are the key points regarding this process. First, rebuilding the database. You can rebuild the central database, which may involve retaining or removing virtual data. Second point, options for virtual elements. If you want to keep the virtual elements, you can choose to preserve them. If you prefer to remove them, all virtual information, including data not displayed on plan pages, will be deleted. Third, recreation of the central database. After making your selection, the central database is recreated. Fourth, SQL database creation. The data point database can also be created as an SQL database, which includes various tables related to the project. This operation is particularly useful if you encounter problems with multi-level terminals in the Terminal Manager or Terminal Browser view, as it may prompt you to correct any affected terminals numbers during the process. I hope this answer was helpful for you. If not, you can always refine your question further. Feel free to use our AI Copilot anytime to get the support you need.